never show you a good marinade that works every single time. It's a massive tiger shrimp, beautiful. The size of that. That's my hand, and that's a shrimp. It's massive, beautiful. Been deveined. First, some smoked paprika. Get that in. Sauce. As much as you want. Definitely want some sugar. A little touch of olive oil. Salt. I've also put some pepper in there. I can't film and do the pepper at the same time, so got pepper in there. Juice straight in. Some garlic powder or fresh garlic, don't really matter. This is the best marinade for shrimp, and it works every time. It's delicious. No more than 30 minutes. Marinate this for 30 minutes, no more. Really bad storms at the moment. There's a tornado watch for 4 AM. I'm still going to make my shrimp sandwich. But I think we're okay. We live in like a valley, so you never get them, but you never know. Look at that. Beautiful. And for shrimp as big as this, flip it every 30 seconds. But these are massive. So at the end, just a little touch of lemon. These smell amazing. Oh, thunderstorm. Toasting my buns. Some at the bottom, I've got my Basil Caper mayo. The tomato. Touch of salt. Shrimp. Oh, yes. A little touch of avocado. Look at that. You've got the Basil Caper mayo with a little bit of lemon. Got some nice super greens, bit of kale, tomato, jumbo shrimp, avocado, a nice grilled bun. Come on. Beautiful.